Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to dub video into another languages using AI. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! AI dubbing uses artificial intelligence to automatically translate video and audio content into other languages while preserving the original speaker's voice, tone, and emotion. This technology combines machine translation, voice cloning, and voice synthesis to create natural sounding, multilingual version of videos, proving a faster, more scalable, and cost effective alternative to traditional human dubbing methods. So, what if you want to create, you want to dub a video into another language using this AI? It's very simple. So, you can use 11 Labs, so you can search on your browser in Eleven Labs. You can create account. If you don't know how to create 11 Labs account, you can watch on my previous video. So after that, you can sign in into your account. And then in here, you can see there's so much feature on 11 Labs that you can use, from text to speech, voice changer, sound effect, voice isolator, and is the product. There's a dubbing because we want to dub video. You can select on dubbing, and in here you can localize content across 29 languages with AI dubbing. You can learn, you can watch this short story video guides to help you get the speed with dubbing your content. Learn about the dubbing editor and importing your YouTube video. Now you can select on create dub. You can create your project. Search language, you can select on detect or is target languages. For example, we'll choose on English. You can upload audio or video source in here that you want to dub. For example, I will dub this video. Here's before we dub it.
Mudah-mudahan image tentang LDI yang negatif selama ini itu bisa sedikit demi sedikit terkikis. Mohon maaf karena memang
It's before we dub it. You can choose number of the speakers, time range to dub, and like this. After that, you can just select on create dub. Now we can just wait until it finish. It's still processing our video. Now the creation is in progress. You can see the process in here. You can just wait until it finish. And now it finished. You can see the result.
hopefully the negative image of LDI can gradually be diminished. Apologies because changing an
It's very cool, right? It's the result.
LDI can gradually be diminished. Apologies because changing
After you finish, you can download it. And it's ready to process. Maybe you want to upload it to your social media or any platform. It's very simple, right? So that is how to dub video into another languages using AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.